Hey guys, Tepco Secretary. Today I'm working on my beautiful Beta 200RR, and I'm going to be working on this pipe right here. See a little dent. My last two rides out had some trouble. Got a couple dents in it. One there, one there. Had a great ride, but it got dented up. No big deal. So I'm going to be using this tool right here to get it all done. I bought this a while ago. It wasn't cheap. It's an expensive one. It was made in the U.S. Custom guy made it for me. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to use it just with a map torch. These pipes are pretty thin. I mean, they're denting pretty easily, so I won't need any heavy heat. The map gas will be just fine. So let me pull this thing off and get it set up, and I'll get you guys set up, and I'll show you how quick these dents come out. All right, 2 springs here, 1, 2, 8 mil here, 8 mil there. And these tools are pretty simple. It has 2 pieces on it, and you just tighten these down here. These 4 kind of center it. You can see where the center hole is for the gauge, and then you tighten these 2, and that squeezes your rubber seal right there. You can see I use it a bunch of times up against the pipe, and you're good. And it'll hold a whole bunch of pressure. I guess the first thing I'm going to do is fill with air. I'm going to use my compressor. I have it set to about 90. I'm going to put about 80 in here. There's 80. I can hear air leaking out of here, so I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Alright, so we're good now. I got it up to 80 pounds and it's holding air fine. I don't have any problems. So I'm going to heat this up a little bit. I'm just using map gas with a torch, standard torch. And it should come out. Let's get it done. I got 2 dents. I got another one right there too. So there's one almost all the way out. There's a little bit right there. All right, that one's out. Let's go over to the other one. All right, so as you heat this up, the pressure is going to go up. I'll let a little bit of pressure back out. Got it back down to 90. I'm going to head and do this one now. And that's it, guys. Those dents are removed. You can see this one here. Okay, it's almost completely out right there. All right, all gone. That one down there, it's got a little, it's kind of more of a crease dent there. It's got a little crease in it. But overall, that first dent right there is gone. The second one right here, it's a little bit of crease you can see right there, but nothing, not too bad. And that's it. I'm going to hit some polish on here, polish them back up. And just to give you guys an idea, I was up to about 120 pounds here when everything was done. I'm going to let the pressure out. All right, so now I'm going to get that discoloration off. I'm going to use some semi-chrome polish by hand. All right, guys, all polished back up. Not too bad. I'm not going to go super crazy. It'll get dented again. Because we all know a dented pipe won't slow you down, but a dull one definitely will, so you got to shine it up. All right, let's throw it on. All right, pipe's back on, much better. Time to ride and dent it up again. Anyway, guys, fixing these pipes is pretty simple, especially on these betas. They're super thin. I've had to put a lot more heat and a lot more pressure into some heavy-duty pipes. This one comes right out again. You can get those tools. Like I said, I got mine made by a company here in the U.S. I don't remember the name off the top of my head. It's been a while now. I'm not sure if he's still making them. But you can go online and find them. It's all different kinds. You just want it to clamp on good. You want it to have a gauge on it and a way to get air into the thing. And a MAP gas torch like I had is all you really need. So guys, hopefully this helps you out. Get those pipes straight. You know, they do say a dented pipe you lose a little bit of horsepower from it. There's been a couple of tests on it. So it's up to you if you want to fix it or not. Some people just like smashing them up. I should probably get a pipe guard on this one. The fiberglass one, the P3, I think it is. I might get that. I don't know. I'll probably get another bike because I want to do more videos on other bikes for you guys and bikes you may be interested in. But again, guys, hopefully you liked this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. Guys, until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.